This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Ginger Kelson. Fantastic opportunity to live in popular and convenient Farmington subdivision. Well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home features, classic split foyer floor plan with family room open to dining room, spacious kitchen with room for a breakfast table/coffee bar, 3 bedrooms on the main level, plus a huge lower level family room/bonus room/4th bedroom option. Many updates to include: new LVP and lower level, new hot water heater, new vanity/light fixture and laundry room/half bathroom, exterior siding painted 2022 and most interior rooms freshly painted 2024. Desirable corner lot, 0.50 acres, with fenced backyard. Side entry/2-car garage features extra storage and door to the backyard. Fabulous neighborhood currently zoned for Bluegrass Elementary, West Valley Middle, and Bearden High School. Book your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Ginger Kelson at 865-584-4000.